work task mo ba, nagli-leak ba sila into your personal time? That's boundary blur. And it's actually the number one reason bakit yung mga freelancers nakakaramdam ng burnout. I saw a post that says yung recovery time daw ng burnout is 1 to 3 years, and there's no scientific rule that says burnout takes exactly that to recover from. Research shows that severe or long-term burnout can take months or even years to recover. Pero yung recovery time talaga is different for everyone. Some people may start feeling better within weeks or months after removing yung pinakang source of chronic stress. Others may need much longer, especially if the burnout has been going on for years or is connected with other issues like depression, anxiety, or kulang sa tulog, which is very common sa ating mga freelancers. And here's something important. You can't always recover from burnout by simply taking a short vacation. If you go back to the same workload, same stress, and same unhealthy environment, burnout can definitely come back. Recovery may require real changes in your workload, boundaries, yung tulog natin, yung support system natin, and daily routine. And as I mentioned earlier, it can take weeks, months, or even years, depende sa severity on how long you've been burned out and whether the root cause is actually addressed. And when they say prevention is better than cure, I automatically think about what I do para ma-prevent to. And the very first thing that I do, yung sabi ko nga palagi sa mga vlogs ko, I do build every single day. I try to do something good for my body, myself, investment, which is the money-making side of business, loved ones, and self-development. But how exactly do you do that? Well, you need a transition ritual since there's no commute kapag ka mag-work tayo. So when you wake up, start with immediate hydration, uminom ka kagad ng tubig, light exposure, sun exposure, and movement para lang ma-anchor yung brain natin and hindi diretso sa cellphone. You can even check out yung book na Write Before Read rule, wherein you will spend 1 hour on deep creative work before you even touch your inbox. Don't start your day in a reactive spiral. And when I started practicing this, I only dedicate mga 15 minutes para lang tingnan yung messages ko. And once that is done, whether nasagot ko yung lahat ng messages sa messenger ko or not, I'm out. Meron din tayong tinatawag na shutdown ritual, which is the most critical habit. Review your day, plan tomorrow's big task, and physically hide your laptop to signal your brain that work is over. If there's one tip na pwede kong ibigay din sa mga nakakaramdam na ng burnout, routine beats willpower every single time. You have to reclaim your home life. You really have to set your mind to it. Last but definitely not the least, I strongly believe that it takes 21 days to build the habit and it takes 90 days to make it a lifestyle. I'll see you sa next vlog. Bye!